Okay, so let's go for example 18. From the result of a survey, it was found that 25% of all cars emit excessive amount of pollutants. If a car emits excessive amount of pollutants, the probability that it will fail state's vehicle emission task is 0.99. If a car does not emit excessive amounts of pollutants, the probability that it will also fail that state's vehicle the emissions task is 0.17. Draw a tree diagram to summarize the information. Find the probability that a car fails the state's vehicle emission task. If a car fails the state vehicle emission test, find the probability that it emits excessive amount of pollutants. Okay, so I already gave you the answer. You may try out first before you continue with my video. Okay, so let's start with the full solution. Okay, so as usual, so get your notification first. Okay, so in this case, I just put E as excess, then E prime as not excess. Okay, because this is about the task whereby is fail or not fail, right? Okay, so after that, I put F as fail, then F prime as not fail. Okay, so let's start with the tree diagram. Okay, so how does the things come in? Okay, so get your answer 25%. So in this question, you have only 2 branch here, so it's either excess or not excess. Okay, so from here, so you want to test whether it is fail or not fail from the task involved, right? Okay, so continue with the calculation. Questions statement already tell you have what 0.25% excessive, so 0.25 on 25%, so balance will be 0.75. Okay, so for excessive emission task that fail the emission task is 0.99. So you have 0.99. Okay, sorry. So balance will be 0.01. It's okay. After that, question set will also fail if the emission task is 0.17. So 0.17. Okay, so not fail will be 0.83. Okay, do remember each part, each category will be 1. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so after that, don't forget. Okay, so we have done for the first question. Second question, find the probability that a car failed the state vehicle emission task. Okay, so get the statement in first. Okay, if you really cannot remember or you can't even know how to get the things in, very simple, you just get the particular information. Okay, so P car fails the state vehicle emission task. Okay, you just copy the phrase. Okay, so equal to PF law, right? The one that failed the task is PF law, right? Okay, so how to get PF? Okay, so as usual, you have two combination here, right? E, F, E prime, F. Is that okay? Okay, so let us get the things done. Okay, so what do you have? You will have E, F. Then after that, E prime, F. It's okay? Maybe I just delete this part. Okay, so after that, what will you do? You'll get your information 0.25, 0.25, 0.99, 0.75, 0.17. Okay, so correct. Okay, so simplify it, add it up together, you have 0.375. Okay. Okay, after that, the third. If a car fails the state's vehicle emission task, find the probability that it emits excessive amount of pollutants. Now, tell me, which one will be your condition here? The one that fail or the one that excess? It will be the one that fail. Okay, why? Okay, because with the keyword if. You see that? If the car fails. Okay, so this will be the condition. So please read the question carefully. Okay. Okay, so you write the F first before the E. Okay, so EF is 0, okay, is 0.25, 0.99. So PF is what? Already found 0.375, 0.375. This one? You already found it, right? Okay, so just get your answer. Okay, you want me to show 0.25 multiply 0.99. Okay, so again divide by 0.375. Okay, so you have 0.66. So that's the full answer for this example.